Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and we're back at the bar because I have another shaker and spoon box. So I did do one other review of this box, and that was 2 months ago, and that was the American whiskey box. And I skipped last month because, I don't know, it just didn't look as good. This month is bourbon, and it's not just bourbon, it's girls just want to have bourbon, and all three cocktails were created by women who competed in some sort of bartending competition. I can't remember the exact details, but anyway, I thought that that was really cool, and I like my browns. So I bought a bottle of Four Roses, which was one of the recommended bourbons, and I've never had Four Roses before. I'm not really that big of a bourbon drinker. I'm more of a Irish whiskey, Scotch kind of a drinker. But I am excited to try this, and I'm excited about these drinks. My last box was amazing. If you haven't seen that video, you should watch it because the cocktails were just like crazy good. Each box comes with 3 cocktails, and I think it's enough to make like 4 of each. Am I making that up? I don't know, it's a bunch. And like they sent 4 lemons. I got my box yesterday and they warned me that there was produce in there and I needed to take it out immediately. And I'm glad that I did. Plus I was able to refrigerate some of the items. So, okay, I think I have everything I need. I am very excited about this. They also have on the website videos with instructions on how to make the drinks. All of the instructions are on the card as well, but it's kind of nice to watch the video and see what do they mean by that sort of a thing. You'll see what I'm talking about as I make these. Okay, oh, another thing that I wanted to mention is I have these pour tops. You'll see, you know, bartenders always have these, and I bought a pack of them on Amazon. They weren't very expensive, and they are so handy to have. It's just easier to measure what you're pouring, you know, especially if you are making mixed drinks or, you know, just whatever. I like pouring it out of something like this. It just makes my life easier. Anyway, it's just a nice even pour. I would highly recommend getting you some. Okay, so I got an entire jar of jam, which I'm super excited about. A little illy Italian espresso style coffee drink. We have some Arabic tea syrup, interesting, and tart cherry vanilla syrup. By the way, somebody else actually pointed this out to me on my last one because I was so obsessed with one of the mixes. You can buy these off of their website. You just go to like their shop, like if you find a drink that you absolutely love, and then you can get more of it, which I think is amazing because, you know, I have no idea what's actually in these things. And then I have a bag of all of these other things. Pumpkin seed butter, curious about that one. Some dark chocolate, star anise pods, which are fun. In fact, June wanted to be the one to put that one in my drink. I told her she could because she really liked that they were stars. She thought that was cute. Some bitters and some sea salt, and then some ginger beer. So you do have to supply your own alcohol, but they recommend alcohols for you if you're like, I have no idea which one to get. They have recommendations, and I think they have 3 recommendations. Each bartender tells you their favorite. And like this one, you know, was, I don't remember, reasonably priced, like $35 or something. Some of the other ones were a little more high end. I went for the cheap one, you know, because who knows if I'm gonna like it, right? Okay, so let's just get to the actual making of the drinks. The first one I'm gonna do is Living Proof. Okay, and these cards have lots of information. They show you the type of glass that it's supposed to go in, the ingredients, and then how to make it. Okay, so this one is shaken, and it's in a double rocks glass. Okay, so let's start with 2 ounces of bourbon, 1.5 tablespoons strawberry preserves. Ooh. That smells good. I had to make sure that my daughter did not eat this. She was like, ooh, what is that? She loves strawberry preserves. Okay, so 1.5 tablespoons. This is goopy. I don't know if I'm measuring this correctly. I'm just kind of guessing here. All right, 1.5. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. I really desperately need like one of those little things that you stick in a lemon to get the juice out, because I'm gonna make a mess. That seems to be about 3/4. 1 teaspoon roasted pumpkin seed butter. Oh, it's green. I don't know what color I expected it to be, but not green. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Really? Oh, bugger. How the heck am I supposed to do this? Pinch of sea salt. All right, and then you add 2 ice cubes and shake vigorously. Okay, ready? Here we go. And you're supposed to shake it until you can't hear the ice anymore. And this is supposed to, you know, mix in all those sticky, gooey ingredients. Okay, it's starting to get quieter. Almost there. I feel like I'm getting a shake weight workout. Oh. Okay, I can't hear it anymore. Whew. Man, okay. Now I'm gonna add some ice. Now I'm gonna shake it until it's cold. Okay, and then I have my little rocks glass. Put some ice in here. Let's strain this before my hand freezes off. Okay. This looks like a smoothie almost. Okay, cheers. Am I supposed to garnish this? Oh, they said I could if I had a strawberry, but I don't have any strawberries. Whew. That's like a boozy smoothie. It's really good. Ooh, that's really yummy. I like it. It's fruity. You don't really taste, you know, I'm not really tasting that pumpkin seed butter. Maybe a little bit, but it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. Mostly I'm getting the strawberry. It's sweet, but I feel like it's not like overly sweet. This is good, actually. I would totally drink this. I don't know how many of these I could drink. This is one of those kind of drinks where you have one and then you're good and then you move on to something else. Totally tasty though. And it just feels healthy. Okay, let me clean up and then we'll start number 2. Now I'm going to make Baba Let Me Tell You One Thing. All right, so 2 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2, I'm making a mess, that's okay. 3/4 ounce Arabic tea syrup. That's this one. I'm curious about this syrup. Ooh, that smells like Indian food. What? I thought it was gonna smell like tea. It doesn't really smell like tea, not to me anyway. Okay, 3/4 of an ounce. All right, let me taste it. Oh, it tastes like tea. Okay, I don't know what that funky smell was that I got when I first sniffed it, but it does taste like tea, like a very sweet, thick tea. 3/4 ounce of lemon. Let's try this again. 2 dashes, not drops, of the Jerry Thomas decanter bitters. Tiny little thing of bitters, I love this. Dashes, not drops. Okay. Ooh, those smell like cinnamon and clove. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay. Shake this until it's cold. Strain it into a Collins glass or something similar. Perfect. We still have room to put our ginger beer. Come on. Okay, so now I pour the ginger beer down the spoon. I'm guessing just like, whoops, to fill it up, because I'm not measuring. I think it actually says like 2 ounces, yeah, 2 ounces, but I'm not measuring that. Okay, and then I have my little assistant here. She wants to put in the star anise. Okay, just put it in there nice and pretty. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's give this. Ooh, it smells good. I'm actually gonna stir it a little bit because I'm getting a lot of ginger beer. But you can smell that star anise as you drink it, you know, and it just gives it that wonderful aroma. Oh, that's good. That's good. If you like ginger beer, it's very refreshing and bright. And with all of that intense tea flavor and everything, it's not as strongly flavored as I thought it was going to be, because I am getting a lot of ginger beer. Maybe I put too much ginger beer in it, I don't know. But it still tastes very interesting, but still kind of light and refreshing. That's really good. I like that a lot. So this one only has 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And then 3/4 ounce of espresso. So if you don't like coffee, this probably wouldn't be your jam. Colin doesn't like coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. I think that's weird. I'm like a coffee-aholic. Okay, 1 ounce tart cherry vanilla syrup. That's gotta be one of these. Okay, what was it? 1 ounce. It's quite a bit, I think. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, and then for the fun part, we are going to grate some chocolate over the top of this. I love the garnishes for these things. They really, you know, I mean, because it really does make a huge difference. I did a video back like before the new year about garnishing just champagne and what a difference it makes for the way that it tastes. So it really, I mean, garnishes can make all the difference in the world. I'm making a mess with this chocolate. Okay, let's give this a taste. This just looks like it's dessert in a glass. Oh my gosh, that is interesting. It's like, well, because you've got like the cherry and the coffee and the chocolate. It really is quite delicious and desserty. It tastes a lot like almost like a chocolate raspberry sort of a thing. Oh wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. That is definitely a dessert drink by far. Wow. So all 3 of these are amazing and fun and interesting, and I made these at home, you know? Who needs to leave the house anymore, right? We can have craft cocktails at home. These are fantastic. I'm really excited about these. They are very much on the sweet side. This is the only one that's not super sweet. Colin, do you want to come taste these?
No.
Okay, so we have, I think we should do them in this order. Okay, start with this one. This one has some ginger beer in it.
Oh, and a star anise.
And a star anise.
Not as gingery or anisey as I thought it was going to be.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like I thought it was going to be really overpowering.
Uh-huh.
But it's fine. I almost like don't even detect the licorice. Well, maybe a little bit of the licorice, but I don't know. I thought it'd be more like bright and, you know, sort of overpowering, but it's fine. It's like a nice mellow drink.
Yeah, I thought it was light
sad.
and refreshing.
I'm not sad. I'm just like surprised that it's not like more overpowering. But no, it's super tasty.
And now try this one, which has strawberry.
Yeah, it smells like some kid's chapstick. Right?
To me, it tasted like a smoothie with booze in it.
Yeah, it's a boozy smoothie.
Right?
It's perfect.
Well, and it has pumpkin seed butter in it, which I couldn't really taste the pumpkin seeds, but it's got that sort of, I don't know, like if you would put peanut butter in a protein shake kind of a thing to it. Like it just it tastes like a smoothie. Definitely. Okay, and then this one is definitely dessert.
Whoa. Yeah.
I'm not sure if you're gonna like that one, but give it a go.
I don't like dessert?
Well, give it a go.
I don't like that one. What's wrong with that one?
That one has coffee in it.
Why didn't you tell me? You just said coffee.
I told you guys, Colin doesn't like coffee. That one has coffee and cherry syrup, and then it's got chocolate on top. The smoothie's your favorite?
Smoothie was the closest. Yeah, I mean the smoothie. Well, you know, hang on. Well, now they're all mixed up. No, I like this one. It's a lot brighter. It's more of a refreshing. It's more of a summer drink. Mm-hmm. This one's fine. Yeah, you know, do a nice workout. You get one of these right afterwards.
Right.
That one, yeah, it's all coffee. Ugh.
Okay, well, thank you for tasting my cocktails.
Okay, high five.
Love you back.
Thank you.
I am loving this box. They did not send this to me, by the way. I bought this with my own money because I wanted to check it out, and I have been loving it. I am not giving up the subscription. I'm probably not going to get every month, but when they have something that looks interesting, I definitely want to try it. I've been super into making cocktails at home too. I mean, we have a bar. Why not make cocktails, right? I can't leave the house. Normally I go out for cocktails, but you know, I can't do that right now. So this is a fantastic alternative. I'm actually having a Zoom meeting tonight, and I'm gonna bring some of these. This is gonna be fun. All right, so I will leave all of the information in the description box. I think I even have a referral link, because when you sign up for Shaker and Spoon, you know, to get you to tell all your friends, they have a referral link. So you guys can use that if you want. I think I get credit toward my next box, which would be awesome. So thank you if you do. Otherwise, I love this box. I think it's amazing. I did actually buy a Shaker and Spoon for my stepdad for his birthday, because I thought that he would love it and it would be fun. So I hope that he does. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!